VideoScribe is a software that allows you to create amazing whiteboard animations without needing any expertise or artistic ability. It is created and run by a British company called Sparkle. VideoScribe files are saved with an extension .scribe. In this lesson, we will see how to download the trial version of VideoScribe software so that you can follow along throughout the course. If you already have this software, you can skip this lesson. So, Google the word VideoScribe and the first result will bring you to this website. So if you're considering to get VideoScribe, the good news is that you can download a 7-day free trial of the VideoScribe software and see if it works for you before spending any money. Although the trial version doesn't have all the images and music available in the full version, still it's worth it and I highly recommend it for beginners. The trial version will expire after 7 days. So after that, if you want to buy VideoScribe, you can get its monthly plan for £18 a month, yearly plan for £96 a year, or a one-off payment of £398. So you can choose what works best for you. So let's go to the free trial option. Here you will need to enter your first name and last name, email address, password, and the purpose of getting VideoScribe software. So here you can select education-student. Then you have to check that I agree to Sparkle's terms and condition. And finally, check here that I'm not a robot. Do remember this login information you use on this page, because you will have to enter this information into the VideoScribe software after installing it. You can also log in via Facebook or Google ID. Once you hit this Create Your Account button, Sparkle will send you an email on your email ID, like this one, where you will have to click the Confirm Now button or a link below that to activate your account. And after that, your download will start. Once the download is complete, you will have a .msi installation file for Windows or .dmg installation file for Mac. After installation of VideoScribe, open it and you will see a screen like this, where you will be asked to enter your email ID and password, the same details you used while downloading the trial version.